You're welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll be looking at one of the rules that concerns relative pronouns. I want you to know that anytime you have relative pronouns, the noun before the relative pronoun determines the first verb, and the second verb is determined by the first noun or pronoun in the sentence. Now, if you look at the example we have here, the man whose pastors, is he reside or resides close to the church? Is he his or her a medical doctor? Now, you need to know that we have two major sentences here. The first sentence is, the man is a medical doctor. And the man who is a medical doctor, his pastors reside close to the church. So that's how we have the man whose pastors reside close to the church is a medical doctor. So the man is a medical doctor. Don't forget, the man comes before whose, which is the what? The relative pronoun. So it takes the verb. The second sentence there is, his pastors reside close to the church. His pastors is plural, we have plural verb reside. So the two come together to form the man whose pastors reside close to the church is a medical doctor. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.